You're watching YouTube right now, right? But here's the shocking truth that a million creators don't want to admit. Most people still don't actually know what it means to subscribe. They think it's just a button, but it's a superpower. You're missing out on the best content. Stop leaving free gold on the table. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to reveal in very simple moves, steps that guarantee you never miss another video from your favorite channels. Let's make you a YouTube pro. How to subscribe on YouTube. 1. Open the YouTube app or website on your phone. Open the YouTube app. On your computer, go to Tip. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so YouTube can save your subscriptions. 2. Go to the channel you want to subscribe to. Type the channel name in the search bar at the top of the page. Tap or click the channel icon or name to open the channel's homepage. 3. Click or tap subscribe on the channel's homepage. You'll see a red subscribe button below the banner. Tap or click it once, it will change to subscribed. On mobile, it's usually just below the video player or next to the channel name. On desktop, it appears near the top right under the channel banner. That's it, you're now officially subscribed. 4. Turn on the notification bell after subscribing. A bell icon appears beside subscribed. Tap or click it to choose your notification settings. All. Get notified whenever the channel uploads a new video or goes live. Personalized. YouTube decides what to notify you about based on your activity. None. You won't get notifications, but you'll stay subscribed. Choose all so you never miss a story premiere or community post. 5. Engage with the channel, like, comment, and share the videos you love. This helps the channel grow and shows YouTube that you enjoy this kind of content. 6. Manage your subscriptions. Go to your subscriptions tab on the YouTube homepage or app to see the latest videos from all channels you follow. You can also unsubscribe anytime by tapping subscribed again, though we hope you never do.